Alright guys, and welcome to this video. So on this video we are going to be talking about the Bytenova airdrop. Alright, so I'm going to be going straight to the point, and I'm going to be giving you guys the two most important things that you need to be able to qualify and be eligible for this airdrop. The two things are simply how you can be able to qualify and complete all their tasks, and finally how you can be able to do their anti-bot verification task. Alright, so watch the video till the end, do not skip any part of it, and welcome to my channel. If you are just coming across to my channel for the first time, I'm Crypto Mechanic, and on this channel I teach you how you can be able to make money in the crypto space. I talk about airdrop, and I make sure that you become eligible for all the airdrop that I'm talking about, because I'm going to be always keeping you updated on any single updates that comes out for any project that I'm talking about. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, or if you're coming across our channel for the first time, kindly do it to subscribe to the channel and like this video if you find it interesting. Also use the link on the video description box to join our Telegram, where we drop daily crypto updates. All right, so right now, with that being said, let's now start with the video properly. All right, so talking about the Bytenova airdrop, you can see over here that on the cryptorank.io they have raised about $15 million from several top investors, and this airdrop is very simple and it has been confirmed, but the date for the listing is not yet announced. All right, so without talking much, let me now take you to their Twitter account and show you some few stuff right there. Over here guys, on their Twitter account, you can see they have about 226,000 followers, but the most impressive thing right here is that they are recognized by CoinMarketCap. All right, so they are recognized by CoinMarketCap, and Bytenova is simply for example, right now, if you want to be explaining Bytenova in a layman understanding, you can simply say that Bytenova is a protocol that's built a centralized edge AI ecosystem that focus on delivering scalable, low latency AI solutions. So this is just the basic information about the Bytenova project. All right, so without wasting time guys, they also made an announcement right here. Let me show you quickly. Okay, this announcement right here, you can see 2 days ago they made this announcement, which is of course they are just trying to tell us that we should not miss this quest, because it's going to allow us to they are trying to they are hiding something right there, but they are simply trying to tell you to do it, because that's a kind of a verification. All right, so right now, without wasting time, let's now get started. All right, so the link to join this airdrop is going to be right there on the video description box, so use the link to get yourself right here. All right, so come over here right now. The first thing you need to do is to go ahead and connect your wallet. So you click on connect wallet right now, and clicking on connect wallet right now, your MetaMask is going to be popping up immediately, and from here you simply need to unlock your MetaMask first if you have it locked. And right now you go ahead and connect your wallet. Okay, so right now you can see you need to add this network, Binance Smart Chain. You need to add it, so you click on approve right now. The network will be added, and right now you need to then proceed on connecting your wallet properly right now. Okay, so right now guys, you go ahead and click on connect again. I will click on confirm, that is to sign this signature request. I will click on confirm, and immediately our wallet is going to get connected, and we are going to be taken to our dashboard. This is simply how it looks like. And over here guys, to be able to participate on this airdrop is very simple. There are two major ways to actually earn. Okay, all right, so the first way to earn is to go ahead and refer people. All right, so once you refer people using your referral link, you are going to be getting some reward for that. All right, so remember to give them your referral code, or your referral code, because with your referral code, that is where you get yourself to be the referral right there, because if they don't have your referral code, then you won't be able to get any reward. All right, but once you copy this link right here and send to them, automatically you are going to be getting a referral reward. For example, you can see over here guys, this guy right here referred me, and we both got 100 credits for that. All right, so without wasting time guys, come over here to quest, and over here on quest, this is where the main thing happens. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to keep your daily check-in live. I will click on check-in right now to check in using MetaMask. All right, so right now you need to pay a network fee of 0.18 dollar in BNB. So I just click on confirm. All right, so this is a very nice project. You need to cooperate, and of course be in line with them, because they are likely to deliver something really huge. Okay, so right now guys, we are now done checking in. I will then close this extension. So the next thing that I need to do right here is to go ahead and of course connect my Twitter, and also connect my Discord. All right, so right now guys, immediately I'm going to be doing it right now. Let me first of all connect my Discord. And immediately I have done that, you can see I got my 100 credit for that. So the next thing you need to do right now is to simply go ahead and complete all these social tasks. All right, so we have a bunch of them right here. Complete as many as you can, and of course you come over here to leaderboard and of course track your record. All right, so you track the people that are topping, and that's just all for now. All right, so the next thing you need to do right now is to, you know, how you can be able to do the verification task. All right, so to be able to do the verification task, the link also will be right there on the video description box. So let's now go to the new site and do the verification task. And over here right now, to be able to complete the anti-bot verification, you need to complete this gags task right here. Right, so automatically the ones that you have will be automatically detected. For example, you need to complete any of these first two. Okay, you need to complete any of them. For example, the first one is if you have gags web3 score. If you have it, then automatically it will be detected. But if you have already also logged in within 7 days, you click on this refresh button to verify if you have logged in for 7 days. But if you haven't logged in for the past 7 days, then this one won't be able to go through. But sometimes you need to just simply try again until it gets in. And right now, guys, you can see you have to get 1 entry and 35 points. So what you need to do from here is to go ahead and follow Chrome AI on gags right here. Then you follow them on Twitter. You have a verifier rule on the Discord server. Then you go ahead and of course complete all these simple questions right here. But one thing that I need you to take note of is this quiz that we have right here. Okay, this quiz that we have right here, the answers are also going to be dropped right there on the video description box. So once you are completing this quiz, you then copy or get the answers from the video description box, then fill it right there. And this one right here, you need to have more than 10 USDT on base mainnet. What does that mean? What it means is simply that you need to, you know, have at least $10 worth of USD on base network. For example, right here right now you can see this is my Ethereum on base. Okay, you can see Ethereum on base right here. Like all the asset that you have on base network should not be less than $10. That is how you can be, you know, able to complete this last question right here. So it is going to be very simple, and right now guys I'm going to be doing it right now immediately. And after that guys, then you come over here to this profile, then you click on the straight line over here. You click on the straight line, then you select profile. Okay, so coming over here to your profile, you can see you have already linked your, you know, your Discord from the first step. Then right now you need to go ahead and link your Twitter and also connect your, you know, your email address. All right, so this is how simple it is to participate on this Bytenova Airdrop. All right, so go ahead right now and take action. Treat this as emergency, especially that anti-verification. Treat it as urgent. All right, so this is the simple update that I have for you right now. If you have any question, feel free to drop it right there on the comment section and I'll be there to help you resolve it. Remember, all the link that you need for you to participate and be eligible for this Bytenova Airdrop are going to be dropped right there on the video description box. So don't worry to check it out, and also join our Telegram if you haven't done that yet. Do not forget to like this video if you find it interesting, and I will talk to you guys on the next video that I'll be dropping very soon.